こんにちは、ともかです。英語の勉強をする前に美味しいかき氷を食べさせて。抹茶のかき氷美味しい。海外に抹茶のかき氷ってあるんですか？Hello.
Hi, Tomoko.
Hi.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me okay?
Okay.
I'm James.
I'm Tomoka. James.
Tomoka. Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
Which prefecture are you from?
Nagoya.
You have the animals you can feed the crackers to in the park.
Nagoya?
In Nagoya. In the deer? In Nagoya?
Animal park?
That's an animal that walks in the park and you can feed the crackers.
I don't know.
Yes. And Tomika, is there any topic that you want to talk about today? I see you picked 5-minute discussion.
Yeah.
Which one do you want? Which number?
I choose music. Okay?
Good. I'm a DJ.
DJ? Are you DJ?
Yeah.
Oh!
I look very like a school teacher, but when I take my clothes, tattoos everywhere, and wear cool hats.
Wow! You are very cool. Sorry.
That's
sorry.
Okay. And the first question, Tomika, is what kind of music do you like?
I like American music very much.
What kind of American music?
R&B and hip hop.
Really?
Yes! I like hip hop.
It's amazing. Who is your favorite hip hop artist?
エミネム
Good one, huh?
Do you know Eminem?
Of course, everyone in America knows who Eminem is. Nice. Have you ever listened to Boys to Men?
Boys? Sorry?
Boys to Men.
Boys to Men? What does mean?
An R&B group.
Group?
It's older. I'm 42 years old, and when I was growing up, Boys to Men was the best R&B group in United States.
Boys to Men? Oh.
I think it's spelled like this. I think it's boys like that.
American singer?
Yeah.
Boys
good.
to Men?
Yeah, the R&B group. But when I was growing up, maybe when I was in middle school, high school, Boys to Men was very popular. So you can look, maybe you will like them. They sing very good.
Allow me to introduce myself. My name's Alex. What's yours?
Alex? Good name.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
My name is Tomoka.
Tomoka. Okay, it's nice to meet you, Tomoka. I see you've picked the 5 minutes discussion exercise.
Yes.
Are there any topics that you would like to talk about today from these 5?
I choose goals.
Goals. Okay,
goals.
Fantastic. So, let's begin the questions.
Okay.
The first question is, why are goals important?
Difficult.
It's quite a difficult question. Take your time to think, no problem.
Why are goals important? If I don't have goals, I can't try hard.
Very good. Very good. Perfect. Excellent.
Okay.
And what is your most important life goal?
I want to more challenge, and for example, I want to go abroad in the future.
Okay, fantastic.
I want to live foreign country, and I want to communicate with foreign people.
Very good. Okay, and which country do you want to live in?
I'm interested in Australia or America and Europe.
Europe. Okay. So yeah, Europe, Australia, USA, fantastic. And do you want to work in those countries?
Work? Work. I don't want to work.
Right, just travel only.
Just
travel. Me too. Excellent. Of course, yes.
Because so tired.
Of course, yes. We could say work is tiring.
Work is tiring. Yes.
I agree.
こんな感じです。個人的にネイティブキャンプすごく気に入っています。理由は好きな時間にできるし、ネイティブの講師と楽しく会話できるからです。私みたいに時間に縛られたくなくて、外国人と楽しく会話したい人にすごくいいなと思いました。最後に英語で締めたいと思います。I admire people who can speak English. The reason is that they are very cool. I want to be a cool person, that's all. It's a childish reason, isn't it? I want to live my life without losing my childlike heart. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Bye!